What are drones and how do they fly? What are drones? Drones are flying machines that can be controlled by a remote or fly on their own. Example, a toy drone that you can fly like a remote control car. Drones in daily life. Drones are used for taking pictures, delivering packages, and even exploring space. Example, a drone that brings your favorite pizza to your house. Drones in daily life. Drones are used for taking pictures, delivering packages, and even exploring space. Example, a drone that brings your favorite pizza to your house. Parts of a drone. Drones have propellers, batteries, and cameras that help them fly and see where they are going. Example, a drone with a camera can take cool aerial photos. Remote control and GPS. Many drones use GPS to know where they are and fly by themselves. Example, a drone that knows how to return home like a smart pet. Types of drones. There are many types of drones: toy drones, delivery drones, rescue drones, and even space drones. Example, a drone that helps firefighters save people. Small toy drones. Small drones are fun to fly indoors or outside in the park. Example, a mini drone that does flips in the air. Camera drones. Camera drones take amazing pictures from the sky. Example, a drone taking a selfie from above. Delivery drones. Delivery drones bring food, medicine, and even mail. Example, a drone delivering a birthday gift to your doorstep. Rescue drones. Rescue drones help search for missing people and bring supplies to dangerous places. Example, a drone finding a lost hiker in the forest. Military drones. Military drones are used for spying and defense. Example, a drone that flies high to watch over a base safely. Drones for science. Scientists use drones to explore volcanoes, oceans, and even the Arctic. Example, a drone flying over a volcano to study lava. Drones in farming. Farmers use drones to check crops and spray water or fertilizer. Example, a drone watering plants on a big farm. Drones in sports. Drones are used in sports to film exciting action from above. Example, a drone following a runner in a race. Drones in movies. Drones are in many movies like Spider-Man and Star Wars. Example, a flying robot helping superheroes. Drones in space. NASA has sent drones to Mars and other planets. Example, a drone flying over Mars, taking pictures. Future of drones. In the future, drones may be everywhere, helping people with daily tasks. Example, a drone that helps you do homework or cleans your room. Safety rules for drones. Flying drones safely is important. Example, always fly a drone in open spaces and away from people. Fun facts about drones. Did you know some drones can do tricks and dance in the air? Example, a drone light show creating fun shapes in the sky. Conclusion. Drones are amazing. What kind of drone would you invent? Example, a drone that plays music or helps animals in need.